You, we are going to do detailing of shear wall. So click on shear wall and go to file, say HWAPI, and suppose so these are my detailing preference. Now if I go to sixth level, click on here, so it shows me which shear wall has been selected. Similarly, if I click on this, then here it tells me in this one table which shear wall is selected. Once this is done, then I go to this one. I can do level grouping also, and I can also give rebar syntax. So just now my rebar is shown like 8-T20, but suppose I want to change this thing to say 8 number, then it will shown like this. Or suppose I want a space bar between this. Here I want space bar, here I want to space bar, here I want to write like this. So my text will be displayed in this format. I said okay. Now again, suppose I'm going to option detailing preference, and I said I want a boundary zone. So I'll click on. If I don't want, I'll switch it off. Then I said okay. Now once this is done, I say execute and run. So now it is showing me detailing for shear wall. So wherever boundary zone is required, it will detail as per that. And when there is no boundary zone is required, so no boundary zone will be done. So once this is done, then I go to output, I say drawing, and I say save the drawing. So drawing has been saved. Again here if I see, what I'm saying is this, that required steel was 5943, provided is 6773. Efficiency is 87.74%. These are the required percentage, this is the provided percent. Now once you get into drawing format, then you can switch off all these all the layers. Unrequired labor you can switch off. Similarly, if I go to output, I say give me a schedule format. So it gives me into schedule format. So here this is schedule format. It contains all the information except for the sketch. Now I go to output and say give me quantity. I said okay. And here I'm giving the name of, it gives the name of spreadsheet. After few seconds, if you click on spreadsheet and if you click on say summary, you will get the total steel formwork required, and here it gives the flow, okay, level wise how much steel is required. So while the construction is going on, you can tell your client that this much steel concrete would be required. Or suppose you want to find out that which column has been done. So suppose if I say done, and here if I say yes, yes, and here I write a equation equal to, if this is, if this equal to yes, then suppose I want to know how much concrete quantity is used. So I said this, otherwise no. So once I drag it down, then it tells me the concrete consumption. And suppose if I say equal to sum of all this, so it tells me how much concrete had been consumed. So what you can do, say this also can be linked with the number of cement, sand and metals, and you can also work out the cost. That how much cost has been incurred in okay material. Same thing you can link with the labor. So you can give much more than what client is asking for. So this I have saved this. Then again I go to home and I'm saving the data file. Said yes. Once this is done, then I go to this and I say